Hey, Drew James here from LearnGuitarInLondon.com. I hope you're having a great musical day. What we're playing today is Happy Birthday, a fingerstyle version. So when strumming the chords isn't enough and you want to bring a bit more melody into your version of Happy Birthday, this is the song for you. It's nice and short, doesn't take too long to learn, just got a few chords, C, G and a basic F chord. You can get the tab to this for free at the Learn Guitar in London student area. I've left a link in the video right now where you can grab that, just takes a name and email address. Anyway, let's start learning it and playing it for somebody on their birthday. Okay, let's have a look at the first 3 bars. Okay, so my version of Happy Birthday here is based in the key of C. So the chords that you're going to need for this are a straightforward C chord, a G, and you're going to need an F major 7 as well. And you should get by very well with those. So the beginning of the song, finger picking rule is thumb on the top 3 strings, E, A, D, and index on G, middle on B, and ring on E. Okay, so the beginning, open on the G string twice. But I'd like you to start by making a C chord. Now, if you make a C chord, you actually shouldn't be touching the G string. So you should get 2 opens like that with your index. Then move your middle finger down to hold down the 2nd fret on the G string, but keep your C there. That way you're pulling the 3rd fret and the 2nd fret, which leads into bar 2. So you got this 3 and 2. Then lift up the G string, play it open, then play the middle finger, which is holding down the 1st fret on a B string. There you go, nice and simple, right? Try to leave your C held down the whole time so this bass note is ringing while you're playing the other notes. That will sound sweet. Then move this ring finger up to the 3rd fret on the thickest string. Put your thumb on that to play it, and then the index and middle finger with a pinch of 1 thumb and 2 fingers. Give it a pull. That's it, pull them together at the same time. Then play thumb on open D string. Then index twice on open strings. Now while you're doing that, don't move this finger, okay? Because we're about to use this in a second. Into the next bar, we've got this. So coming from this, we're moving our middle finger down to the 2nd fret on the G string, pinching those 2 strings. That's thumb on thickest, index on G. Then lift up the middle finger to play it open. Then I like to use my little finger on the 3rd fret on the B. So it's a little bit more challenging using the weaker fingers on your hand. But for those of you who've been playing a bit longer, that should be okay. You could do it this way, like that. I don't really mind, but I prefer you to do it this way because it's always a good idea to strengthen your weaker fingers. So we've got to now make your C chord again. Once again, another benefit of doing it this way rather than that way is because it's easier to get to C from there. So back to C, pinching thumb on A string, index and middle, then play thumb on the 2nd fret on the D. Then open string on the G. Once again, notice I didn't need to move this C chord at all, I just left it there. Keeping your C there, put your little finger on the 3rd fret on the thinnest string, like this, so make a high sounding G. Pinch thumb, index, middle ring on their associate strings, and thumb on the A bass note. Then lift up little finger and play it open. Then with your middle finger play the 1 that the C is holding down here. Okay. So I'll take it back to this 3 and 2. Notice the whole time there, I wasn't really moving much on this hand at all. Take note of that, that will make you a better guitarist if you can do that. Now next, move this ring finger down 1 string, so you're on the D string on the 3rd fret. You don't need to hold out anything else just now. Pinch thumb on the D string and middle finger. So you've got an open on the B, then 2nd fret on the G string, so that's based around an F, major 7. Keep that held down, hold down the 1st fret on the thinnest string, play it twice. Move your ring finger back up to common C position here, but you don't need the rest of your C. Then 1st fret, well maybe you do. 1st fret on the B. Okay, then ring finger, 3rd fret on the thickest string, pinky finger, 3rd fret on the B string. Pull thickest string index and middle, and then finish with a C. You can strum it using the side of your thumb. Let's take it from the beginning of the song slowly and play it with me after 2. 1, 2.